nuggets. I'm gonna do some. Oh, that sounds good, y'all. Do some baked catfish nuggets, y'all. With that new season I got, y'all. That sounds pretty good. Mm-hmm. Some baked tilapia. No, I don't know tilapia. I want catfish. I can do that because I want to try this new lemon pepper season I got, y'all, from Frank season. Oh, what do you say, y'all? It's going down. I already used it. They have the Frank Buffalo and Ranch season, y'all. I put that on them chicken wings, y'all. Say that was off the chain. Wait, so say y'all, I got some recipes coming, y'all. That Frank season, y'all, is off the chain. So I'm telling anybody, y'all, say y'all want to try some new season, y'all. Say y'all need to try that Frank then Buffalo season. You put that on some French fries, y'all. Oh my lord, they taste like some damn hot Cheetos, y'all. They be off the chain, y'all. So yeah, man, that's a good recipe to try to get y'all. Put on some fries. Let your kids eat that. Matter of fact, this is what I do. I get the seasoning and I put a little sugar in it. Yeah, make it a little sweet and hot. Oh man, put that shit on them french fries. Oh man, face. Hey y'all, talking about be good. Man, that Frank season off the chain, man. Yeah, you got that little old dust hot, and then you put the sugar in it. Sprinkle that shit on them fries. What? You be like, damn, you know how what's name with that wing style they put sugar in their shit, they fries and shit. But nah, they worry about that hot and then got that sweet. Say, man, that shit be off the chain, y'all. Y'all think I'm playing. Y'all gotta know how to cook, man. I need to stop playing. What? Man, I be in there, man. Thinking of some recipes like crazy, y'all. So yeah, that's one thing I be thinking of. But yeah, they got this Frank. I think it's lemon limes. Oh man, I might think about pronouncing it too. I mean some catfish nuggets and bacon. That sounds pretty damn good. Yeah, do something different. You know, be something different. Get something different. I know everybody else got turkey, chicken, gravy. You know, the basic stuff and stuff and dressing. It's all the same. You know, well, not really. Some people use stuff, and some people use cornbread. So now, so it is a big difference. Some people, how they don't know how to cook. They get that old box. But no, it's all about how you season them. You gotta know how to season your shit. Yeah. Everybody keep up the good work. Hey. From Dallas, Texas, y'all. Appreciate all my bros coming to this live, y'all. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Hey. Cowboys, Cowboys. Hey, I'm with the Cowboys, y'all. What's up with it? What's up with it, y'all? Represent your team. Represent. Appreciate y'all coming to the live, everybody. Cowboy Nation with it. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. 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 Appreciate y'all coming to the live, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Yeah. Y'all eating on some big old turkey legs and stuff. What y'all eating on? What y'all eating on, y'all? Shoot the shit. Shoot the shit. What y'all eating on? What's up with it? What's up with it? What y'all eating today? Some people probably switched it up. Yeah. Good work, everybody. Cowboys. Grab my Cowboys. Cowboys. Everybody say Cowboys. What's up with it, y'all? Drop out. Pop out. Represent your team. Represent your channel. What's up with it, y'all? Represent your channel. What's up with it? Go in there, relax, watch some movies and stuff, chilling out, ready for the game. Come on, what time is it anyway? Oh, it's just 12 o'clock, y'all. About like 3 hours. Yeah, these. With the Cowboy. Yeah, everybody, fire in the hole. Hey, hey. I just want the bread to bread the cheese. Hey, Cowboys. I got a new one coming to the channel, y'all. I got a new one.